Field trip. Thanks, Ash. We actually are looking for a studio space to record Pretty Basic.
She said,
Good morning, everyone. Today's vlog, as you can see by the title, you can see by the thumbnail, it's gonna be a lit vlog.
is this one me or you?
That's you. I brought everyone Alfred, but my app wasn't working. I had to use Ashley, so thank you, Ash. I'll pay you back.
Ash.
Thanks, Ash. So today we are going to tour some offices for Pretty Basic so we can actually have a studio and record the pod there. We have like an itinerary lined up today. Whitney put it together. Very, 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 very excited. Yay! Field trip.
Any cute ones? Yay! We are. I think this is lit. Oh, we passed it. Here it is.
On your right.
Oh, I'm gonna do a little Yui.
Doesn't it feel like a field trip today? Like a Friday? Like an extra special work day?
This poor girl.
She's like, is that Mr. Ashton?
Poor girl. I was about to just hit a quick Yui.
You said, let me drive into her.
Let me just.
Guys, I don't think you've met Whit on my channel yet.
Hi guys, how are you?
She's Remy's TK.
I mean,
Indeed.
Okay, we're going to space number 1. How many are on the list today?
just 3.
Oh, 3. Oh my god, perfect!
For some reason, I thought we were going to like 10.
Me too.
We were supposed to do 5, but one was trying to make it online, and then something happened, and then the other one never got back to us. So.
Okay, so 1 out of 3. We don't really know
these are
what
the
we're
top
looking for.
3, like top.
Yeah.
Out of the 10 that we found,
Good.
these are the top 3.
Okay, okay.
That's my favorite.
I'll give it
But
back.
for a good time. Yes. At least there's a lot. Yeah. All right. First impressions. Oh my god, I get nervous. Like when something. Oh wow, so bright. Oh, she's so cute. What is this? Oh, I forgot we're filming.
To be honest, I don't love the smell.
The floor is like wavy.
Yeah.
It's so weird because normally we need good lighting, but like for recording our podcast, we wouldn't. I don't like the layout of it.
It's like I don't like the weird.
But it could be cool to have like, if we do have a 1-bedroom, to be able to close and have this be their like recording area. And
You
then
can also
people,
have a monitor, like
yeah.
recording area, and then where the management stays could be like there could be a monitor.
This is a big space. Wow.
But I kind of do like that idea of like we can record in here and have a monitor out there, Rem.
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
I kind of like the idea of a 1-bedroom for that reason. Oh, that's cool. That'd be cute for filming.
Make them a little drink.
Like Pretty Basic with a neon sign. I feel like I like this one better. Oh wow. This is actually big.
Yeah, cute. The bar would be really cute.
The bar would be cute with a neon sign.
Yes. Oh, I love it.
This one smells better too. The other one really smelled funky.
Whoa.
Holy shit. See, this would be nice to store all the equipment in here.
Yeah, it's huge.
Do you know what I
There's a
mean?
bathroom in here too.
We have our lighting. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Wait, what did you press?
It was in black and white. What's going on?
How'd you do that?
Guys, now we are at place number 2.
Look, I just got my nails done.
I was just gonna be like, I had no nails. They look so good. I love the red.
I love the red. I
Love
needed
the red.
to go back to my roots. Wait, what are we looking for? What's like a pro and con?
Okay, honestly, I think a pro is, obviously, we've been having a lot of guests on our pod lately. I feel like I want it to be a place that has easy parking for guests, that like feels safe. If someone was to come by themselves, they wouldn't be like overwhelmed.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
just easy. And then on top of it, like just a good space. Normally, I feel like anytime I'm moving, I'm looking for the best lighting, but we don't necessarily need the best lighting because we're gonna be using studio lights, which is interesting.
I know the last one we looked at was a little like, I felt like it didn't have the Pretty Basic wow factor.
I wrote pros and cons, and in the cons I didn't feel like there was a wow factor to
Yes.
it. But it was definitely like a solid option.
Yeah.
But I feel like if I had to choose between the last one and our houses, I would just still do our houses.
We need to be picky because like you're investing in your like company essentially.
I know.
So it needs to be nice.
Here's a personal. I need to put my mask on. 2 seconds.
Let me know if you ever want any, if you want me to take camera.
this apartment.
Really?
This exact layout. It looked like this.
Oh my god.
And the closet. Oh, the closet's here.
I guess we could always build our set at an angle too. For more
Yeah.
space, because these are a little smaller.
Yeah.
And all of our amenities are open. Please have a look-see.
Cute.
We can have little brainstorming sessions.
Cute.
There's egg chairs.
Oh, nice.
And it has a really long balcony, which is great.
Oh, very good.
So we have a pool and a gym.
Okay, we are going to space number 3 now. I'm excited for this one. She cute. This is so exciting.
I
just-
can't wait to pick one and then go.
It's crazy.
Also good. Thank you. What's your name? Wow. Very cool.
Oh, so cute. Oh, I love this.
Me too.
So yeah, setup more as a live space right now. However, I have seen some people who use this space as their workspace. Let's say maybe if you're doing photography, you could create a backdrop here. You know, there's still plenty of space over here for equipment where it doesn't feel like squished.
Yeah.
You can see you can still have stuff to this wall and stuff, plenty of walking space all around.
This is gorgeous. Well, thank you.
Okay, we were able to come to one last place and they have a lot of different units and they're doing self-tours, so they gave us the keys, which is always fun because I feel like it's a little less awkward to vlog. But this place is super nice. It's
Very
super
artsy.
big. Yeah, very artsy.
I was thinking you lost like a stairs loft.
Yeah.
Like 2 stories.
It's definitely more echoey, so we'll have to like really soundproof it, but I love how it feels like an office. Our baby's growing. I actually have so many rugs in my garage. This is so dope.
There we go.
I like the concrete vibe in the other one, but this is still really nice. It's literally the same thing. The one down there had a black, this one's silver. So this one's cheaper, which like we love a deal. This is so much more what we were wanting. Okay guys, so I feel like I should have said this in the very beginning of all of this, but we actually are looking for a studio space to record Pretty Basic. I already mentioned that. Our company gave us like a small budget to work with, so we're like, hell yeah, like let's put that to use. And we're just so excited, especially because we're like interviewing guests more now. We're just excited to like have a more professional place to like, you know, invite people and like have guests come over instead of it being our house and stuff. And yeah, we're gonna have our own like little Pretty Basic office studios. I feel like lately we've been trying to keep things like a secret and exciting for Pretty Basic, but this has been in the works for so long, so we just wanted to take you along on the tours and keep you in the loop.
I like the other one more, I think, than this one. The first one.
Yeah, there's more though, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel like we probably like the bigger one more, but. Oh, this is it, guys!
She said,
This is it, guys!
she said,
I said, this is it, guys! Oh, this is it. This is it. Isn't that it? Guys, this is it. I walked in and I screamed. This has to be it. This is so cool.
it's kind of nice.
I like it.
I feel like it's less echoey.
Oh my god.
She's so cute. When she is like excited about something, she's so cute. But I am too. This is exciting.
Do you think this is it?
Maybe. I didn't hear the price. Like, let me hear the price and then we can talk. Crazy how much it's grown.
I know.
It's our little baby.
This feels way more like an office than a living space.
Yeah.
You could even have desks,
Yeah.
you know? That area will be where you get in there.
Think of the last place versus, like, yeah. I
Get
feel
in
like,
there.
like, this can just be the set. We can lay with our squishmallows and our
You could also, so you could have a couch there and then a couch there, and it could be like your Pretty Basic could be on the corner. And
we could also like install lights here. You know what I mean? Where it's like up, like one big.
you could put like a big table or workspace in here.
Yeah, like a big shirt.
And then obviously couches for like teens.
This is so dope.
Can we pick this one, Mom?
She's like, please. And then we could film like cooking or something like things like here.
It's honestly really spacious.
Hey guys, update. It is quite a bit later. It is now 10:40. We ended up watching.
Update. It is quite a bit later.
Oh, Ash! Bruno!
Did you hear that?
I don't know why it just helped. It just like fell out of my mouth.
And you guys think I'm the sassy sister.
That was some strong mockery.
I'm glad it was on camera.
You gonna let her do that?
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Anyways, we caught up on WandaVision. You guys did so good. Was that the last episode or is there one more?
That's not last.
Okay,
I think
good.
there's more. I don't know how long this
I wouldn't have liked if it ended that way. I think it's only 8 or 9 episodes. It was so good. And then after that we watched Age of Ultron and now it's 11 p.m. So,
Raging on Friday.
I know, this is my Friday night turn up. You're here tomorrow?
I am here tomorrow.
Cool, cool, cool.
I have to get a video up. I was hoping you could help me with the thumbnail later.
I don't know, you just mocked me like no other.
Please.
Now she's like, shoot! Ask nicely.
Booties.
Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready for bed. I hope you guys are very excited for PB headquarters. Very excited. Question of the day, who's the hottest Avenger? Comment it down below.
Everyone already knows who the hottest Avenger is.
Hot is subjective, first of all. And everyone, I'm not gonna lie,
Everyone knows Thor is the hottest.
I have to say though, Thor with short hair
all want
is
different
superior to Thor with long hair. The second he cut it, I was like, oh yeah.
I said, I literally.
Don't tell Remy, I said Chris Evans. Pretty basic listeners, no. Okay, anyways, I love you guys and I will see you very soon. Okay, bye.